Hi cute kids! Let's draw a beautiful house. First of all, I am drawing roof of house. Now I'm drawing their walls. Drawing a beautiful door. Drawing their windows. Drawing grass. Now I'm drawing beautiful tree. Cute apples are there. Let's draw flowers outside the house. It's a cloud. Let's make outline more visible. Done. Let's paint together. Blue color. Green color. Orange color. Red color. Green color. Red color. Yellow color. Red color. Red apples. It looks so cute. Brown color. Green color. Blue color. Let's make grass with green color. It's done. House drawing is looking so cute. Kids, like my video and subscribe my channel for more interesting tutorials.